In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo gallery in Wix Studio. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional gallery on your page, powered by the Wix Pro Gallery app and filled with your own images. First, open your site in the Wix Studio Editor. Look to the left-hand side of the screen for the panel of tools. Click App Market. This is where you can add features and extensions to your site. In the search bar, type Wix Pro Gallery. When you see the Wix Pro Gallery app appear in the results, select it and add it to your site. The editor will place a Pro Gallery on your canvas automatically, usually right on the page you're viewing. You'll notice it's filled with sample photos. These are just placeholders to help you see the layout. Next, click directly on the gallery on your page. You'll see a small toolbar appear. Choose Manage Media. This opens the Media Manager for the gallery, where you control exactly what images appear in this section. You'll see those default photos listed here. To clear the placeholders, select all of the images, then delete them. Don't worry, you're only removing the sample images from this gallery, not from your site overall. This gives you a clean slate for your own content, which helps keep your brand consistent and your site lightweight. Now it's time to import your images. Click the option to add or upload media, then choose the photos from your computer. You can also drag and drop them directly into the window if that's easier. As you import, aim for clear, well-lit images with consistent style. High-quality JPG or PNG files usually work best, and keeping file sizes reasonable helps your pages load quickly. Once the images finish uploading, they'll populate the gallery list automatically. You can reorder them by dragging to change the sequence, so your most important visuals appear first. If you're mixing horizontal and vertical shots, a balanced order can make the gallery feel more intentional. When you're happy with the selection and order, close the Media Manager. You'll see your gallery on the page instantly updated with your own images. That's it. Your Pro Gallery is in place and displaying your work the way you want. And there you go. You've added the Wix Pro Gallery from the App Market, opened Manage Media, cleared the filler photos, and imported your own images to build a polished gallery album. That's all.